Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to explore how to choose your chat member name on the VK app. This is a useful feature that allows you to control how your name appears to your friends or contacts during conversations. First, open the VK app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom right and tap on the three-line menu. Then, in the top right, tap on the three dots to reveal more options. From the menu that appears, select Settings. Once you are in the Settings section, select Account. After entering the Account section, scroll down until you see the Chat Member Name option. Tap on it to open a new screen where you will find two choices. You can either select your name from VK, which will display the name you use on your VK profile, or you can select a name from your phone contact list, which allows your contacts' saved names to appear during chat. Finally, choose the option that best suits your preference. Once selected, the app will automatically apply the chosen name to all your chats. You can change this anytime by repeating the same steps, giving you flexibility in how you appear to your contacts. By following these steps, you can easily switch between your VK name or phone contacts. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others.